Barrister, please, how do you reconcile this judgment with the pending suit, the appeal by the federal government that is pending at the Supreme Court in the aftermath of Abuja Court of Appeal judgment?
Well, it doesn't detract from the effectiveness of the judgment today. That case is diametrically different from this one here today. That case concerns a criminal matter that didn't terminate the way it's supposed to terminate at the High Court. And the Court of Appeal held in favor of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So the federal government, well, took it to appeal. This is a different case altogether. In law, we call this kind of case sui generis. It's of a special class, so nothing can ever taint it. And not that I'm saying that the differentiation is that, but because we have commonality of a client here. So we have Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as a common feature here, and the federal government and the Attorney General of the Federation are also parties. But that is as far as the similarity goes in that respect of being parties, common parties. And the second similarity is that the Court of Appeal judgment of 13th October also was relied upon copiously by the courts in Abia today.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Holy, holy. Yeah, hold on. It's another sin. Hold on.
You could bring that mic now.
Oh my God. No, thank you, gentlemen of the press. Thank you, gentlemen of the press. I am Comrade Iboyaka. I am the National President of the
Less noise.
Today, on behalf of the both home and diaspora, we are very glad for today's judgment. Today's judgment is a clarification that indigenous people of Biafra, led by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they are not a terrorist organization. And again, the court also had an extraordinary redemption. On that case, we are calling the Nigeria government, federal government, to quit from any form of executive rascality and impunity to obey the court order, because the court is the last hope of a common man. So we are calling the federal government, led by President Muhammadu Buhari, because last time at Ebonyi State, he said that the issue of Nnamdi Kanu, that the court will take decision, and today the court has taken decision. We are calling upon them that this case, the Igbo youth, they are totally involved in this case. We are calling them to obey the court order, and that is our decision. And we don't want the Nigerian government in any way try to provoke the entire Igbo youth in this country. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you.
The President General of
gap now. Okay. Nnamdi Kanu, ọmalịcha nwa. Lead it. Nnamdi Kanu, ọmalịcha nwa. Chineke nyere anyị Nnamdi Kanu,
Onuya. Adamawa ya. Marene ya komputa. Yawewe oyole yaso. Oyolewe yawewe. Oyolewe yawewe oyolaso yaso. Oyolewe yawewe marene ya komputa.
Let's complete the day. We'll continue.
Holy, holy, holy.
I'm the special counsel to the indigenous people of I'm the special counsel to the indigenous people of Biafra and its supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We came to court today. Make we receive the judgment of the case where we filed for March this year. That case where we filed against the extraordinary rendition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu last year in Kenya. We no like him at all. Nobody like him. So the thing say we can't do like that. We can't come court, come file him for March. So we don't go do many hearings. So today the court rendered judgment and we come win. We win well. The court talk say make them carry Nnamdi Kanu come out, go put them back for where they bring them from Kenya.
Yes, sir.
If the federal government there for court today, and so court for hold them for here. So una hear us. That thing we wanna do for 19
No good.
June last year, no good. Make una carry Nnamdi Kanu, they come back to Kenya. And so court talk today. And they talk many other things. Don't condemn how they come touch her. Come talk say all those things no good at all. No be say that way. Now so government supposed to behave. So but the important thing they say we don't win. So with the federal government make they listen to their court. This court no be my court. Na federal government owner. So your court don't tell you. You go act now. You don't go disrespect your court. So that thing when they talk say all dog they chop this thing. May you no carry your own put for here. This one they do for Abuja with court of appeal. Make you no repeat here. They don't do. Thank you very much.
Get any fine where the court
the government the court been fine government 500 million naira. They say government go pay Nnamdi Kanu 500 million naira. No be so.
What you get to tell your supporters now as this matter don't be like this? Which message you get to tell POB supporters?
Well, you know, when the judgment finished for court, I can't talk to the court. I can't thank the court. Say, common man, they don't show me today. Say, common man, the last hope we get for this country, na judiciary. Now the same thing why I go tell IPOB. So there is hope. Justice in this country. Still hope from the judiciary. Yes. Well, I help you all has. I help our federal government has. Court say how many last year June. We just follow one in Kenya.
We
Toria nto na abani. Kande nto. Has go to Akboria Kenya. No drop ma. No iwu ka hada. And Ota has touch up where ni iwu ka hada. Ni ihe niile ihe eji wee bịa court dị asatọ. Ya we ihe na court. Ihe niile na court dị chara ya. One no na-ekwu ka m na-ekwusi ike bụ ha kpọghachi Kenya. All here court so I'm hoping they will obey. So I will major court in major equity. Only when you men federal government had a court. He had a jail court for man, a court, I have seen a major, a baby seeker. Then had a Jesse court also. Almost in my heart, the seeker had a make court order. Obey. A dismount land court to the Union of Nigeria. I appeal as your
American trade law.
Court can respect. I respect. Oh, I respect a court.
That is great. You are blessed. You are blessed.
We are live at Federal High Court right now. As you can see, Barrister Aloy Jumako, Special Counsel to the leader of the Republic of Biafra and Ipob, just finished addressing the press. So we have victory today. So we are thanking Abia for the victory, just like always. You can see how it's happening. Biafrans all over the country came in mass to pay solidarity to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra in court today. As you can see, they are very, very happy for today's ruling in Umuahia Federal High Court. Yes, this is Umuchukwu Writers reporting live from Federal High Court, Umuahia. Stay tuned.
Fellow Biafrans and lovers of freedom, greetings to each and every one of you. Wherever you are watching, this is another mega victory. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has again won the Fulani government. This is Abia High Court, where he won them hands down. And the court has declared that the Fulani federal government must return Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to Kenya, where they abducted him and extradition him to Nigeria. Okay, now Nnamdi Kanu has won them in the High Court of Abuja, won them in the Appeal Court of Abuja. He will still win them in the Supreme Court. But the question is, will the Fulani Caliphate listen to their own courts? We all know that the courts in the zoo were under the payroll of the Fulanis, but the cost of the grievous offense they committed, the court cannot shy away from saying the truth because the eyes of the world is upon them. Now they can't keep winning these people in court. The Igbo community is keeping quiet. This is where my anger comes from. Why is the Igbo nation keeping quiet? Why is the South keeping quiet? Why is the South are keeping quiet? Even the Southwest, why are they keeping quiet? We must rise to face this Fulani because we know what they want. What they want is war, and they must get war.